Kurahira kw'ebembera mu magistrate grade ya kashatu ahabwa Shema Lucy Kabahuma Kojo kandi abebembezi aha mbuga nkuru za district ya Shema abarahizibwa bashobora amakuru go kuteera ebiragaano aho bakwasibwa n'ebikwato.
Hakenerwa kwita clarity tumanyisha kwenda tukikurangire tukicyeho to reducing the friction
yogomwa y'iki kisanja abo nk'abanyashema okureba nk'utwa twarwansa corruption nko kurwansa corruption chikumanyisa muneja ko
I Mbaga David swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will at all times willfully serve the district of Shema in the office of Speaker, and that I will support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda.
Aho n'omukuru w'entebe ya gatano warahizibwa w'enshuro ya kabiri Jamie Mabhanda yashobora kanso y'ogw'omwaka ebirikwija kutandikiraho aho nawe omu butumwa bwe yajumirira enguzi.
Ekisanja kumagamba ebintu ebikwatiriine na heresi kureba ngu amarwariro omu maka giito kwecuma okukora ki twagenda omu liisho ahakuba turabyami ati nosiri twarwanisa corruption ahakuba omwebembezi yanagamba corruption noba noreba munangwa nayenda n'okurwana
kandi eri izooba tinye nasinga kureka Shema district niyo yasinga kandi nkomunyeto nashinka youth obutundutundu 78 mu ihanga ryona n'eminyeto.
Wanyuma yo kurahizibwa yashutamisa kanso y'okubanza aho yarondera omuhwezi we hamwe n'omuhwezi wa chairman otiireho na ba minister.
Thank you so much for taking time to vote, and especially to vote David Mbaga. I would like to congratulate my opponent who I have been standing with. I kindly request you to come and we work together.
Omukanzeegi Helen Tushabe orikujwekera emyeto yarondwa nk'omuhwezi wa speaker, Mwane Mwamura orikujwekera Kagango yarondwa nka minisita w'ebyamagara n'ebyobwegyese, Robert Nkwemerire otwire ari speaker wa Shema k'ow'ebyesente hamwe na Patience Ayesiga otwire ari omuhwezi wa speaker kuba minisita wa Works, Water and Natural Resources.
Haji Majidu Segale Rubengo solemnly affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me Allah.
Omugari kwenda kushana nago otwire ari chairman wa district y'Isingiro kandi owarabire hatiine kya kanisa yarahizibwa kugumza mu kwebembera district egi.
Tuhirwe Aaron Turahi, swear in the name of Almighty God, solemnly affirm, swear in the name of Almighty God, solemnly affirm that I shall faithfully exercise the function of the district chairperson of Isingiro district, and I shall uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution and observe the laws of Uganda, and I shall promote the welfare of the people of this district, Isingiro, so help me God. Mbacheta Chisanja, no what? Chisanja no sleep. President achigambire mu muhuriri. Agizere ngo Chisanja taro kubyabo.
Mukoroni gw'ogumwe bakansara b'amagombora abarabiremu nabo barahizibwa bitu bamwe ekigambo ky'Orungereza tikyabanguhira.
Isha Alex Ishenchuma, swear in the name of the Almighty God, I will be faithfully serve to this council and support and uphold of this Constitution and Republic of Uganda, and by law established, so help me God.
Bwanyuma kurahizibwa kwabo haba okutora na speaker wa council n'omuhwezi we kandi bona aba bakwasibwa ebikwato bya office zabo.
Another instrument of power, Mr. Chairman, of course you have seen today we have new councillors I'm handing over the standard rules of procedure for government councils in Uganda.
aha bwanyuma yo kurahira bashaba kufayo mnonga okorera hamwe kandi kubasa kusya abantu abarikujwekera
that the citizens baba trustingly with the responsibility of leadership. And I want to say leadership is not easy. It demands sacrifice, patience, wisdom, commitment to the common good.
Ni tekateka ngo service delivery icyo twatira umwanya go kubanza you na technical team headed by our cow. You did a great job. Congratulations once again.
amakuru agagasha kwa Gerard Tugume na Gerard Ahimsiwe aha bwa Tayari West.